Get started with the correct figures in Xero by adding an opening balance for your business bank account. It's a quick two-step process. Enter the date you'll start adding transactions in Xero, known as your conversion date, then add your account balance. Before you start, grab your bank statement so you enter the correct balance. Step 1. Set your conversion date. From the accounting menu, click Advanced. Select Conversion Balances, then click Conversion Date. Xero automatically sets your conversion date as the first day of the month. So just select the month and the year. If you're registered for sales tax, set your conversion date as the first day of the sales tax period, and click Save. Step 2. Enter the opening balance for your bank account. This is known in Xero as your conversion balance, and is your closing account balance the day before your conversion date. Next to your account name, type in your balance as it appears on your bank statement. In the debit column, enter the amount you have in your account. In the credit column, enter overdrawn amounts, loans, and credit card balances. Repeat this step for any other bank accounts. Then click Save. Come back and enter conversion balances for other types of accounts when you're ready. And that's it, you've set your conversion date and entered your opening bank balance. There might be a delay between your conversion date and the date your transactions start flowing into Xero through your direct bank feed. Add any missing transactions for this period by manually importing your bank statements. Search Import Bank Statements in the Xero Help menu to find out how.